Hey Amazon, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and we are checking out some of the best items for spring on all of Amazon. If you guys are doing some gardening this spring, these are absolutely beautiful planters. They are 20-inch tall, white, indoor-outdoor planters. They are totally stunning, super contemporary, modern, fresh white. It's going to give you all of those spring and summer vibes. You guys, these are beautiful. They are gonna look great with any of your plants. You can put larger plants in them, obviously, because they're 20 inches, and they feature 4 drainage holes in the bottom. You guys know that is so important, so you don't have to worry about your plants, just their roots sitting in all of that water. They are really going to thrive in these planters. Some special things about them: they are indoor or outdoor. When you use them outdoor, know that they are specially designed to stand up to weather, to stand up to all of the elements and the sun as well. So they're going to stay their nice, pretty, bright white. Second thing, you guys, the material that this is made out of is so cool. It's made out of a really recyclable plastic and some natural stone materials, all mixed in together. That gives it that really cool modern look. It's gonna have a textured outside just slightly, so it just adds a bit of texture into your environment. It's really earthy, really pretty. But the really cool thing about this is it's going to be lightweight. So you get that gorgeous rock stone facade, but without it being super heavy. And especially when you're dealing with a large planter, a large plant, you guys know that watering that, moving that, putting it in a different area to get more sun, that can be a real pain when you are dealing with a huge stone planter. This is going to give you that gorgeous look, that really expensive look, without spending the money and also without having to break your back moving it all around your house. So you guys, this is a gorgeous planter. Get to gardening, get outside, go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did.